All right, so for number 7, because it's in radians, first we want to change 2 pi over 3 to be degrees. So I'm going to take 2 pi over 3, and I need to multiply it by my ratio of 180 degrees over pi radians. And remember, I want radians in the denominator so that they cancel out. And then my pi's cancel out, so now I'm left with 2 times 180 over 3. 2 times 180 gives me 360, and then 360 divided by 3 is going to give me 120 degrees. All right, so next I want to draw my quadrant. I know this is 0, 90, 180, and 270. So I have a reference angle of 120 degrees. So I know I'm going to travel at least 90, and then I know I need to travel about 30 more. So I'd say about right there. So I'm in quadrant 2. And remember, I need to drop down a perpendicular to the x-axis, not the y-axis. And to find my reference angle, which is this angle right here, I'm going to subtract 180 and 120 degrees, because the difference between these two angles will give me this angle right here. Make sure we don't subtract these two. This will give me this angle right here, but it's not inside my triangle. So I know 180 minus 120, this is going to be a reference angle of 60. All right. And then I'm trying to find tangent. So I know my hypotenuse is 1. And then if we remember, always across from our 60-degree angle is going to be a side length of radical 3 over 2. And then I know this is 30 degrees. So everything across, every side length across from 30 degrees, if we remember, is going to be 1/2. And then I'm in quadrant 2, so I need to be careful of my signs. So because I'm traveling left on the x-axis, I'm going to have negative 1/2 for that side length. But I am traveling up on the y-axis, so my radical 3 over 2 is going to stay positive. So now I need to set up my ratio for tangent. So my ratio for tangent is y over x. So my y value is going to be the amount I'm going up or down. So I know I'm going to have radical 3 over 2. And then I need to be all over my x value is how far I'm traveling left or right. So it's going to be negative 1/2. And then if we remember, I'm going to do keep, change, flip to figure out what this ratio is going to be. So I have radical 3 over 2 times, because I changed division to multiplication, negative 2 over 1. And then from here, I notice these 2's are going to cancel. And then I'm just left with multiplying straight across. Radical 3 times 1, negative 1 is negative radical 3 all over 1. So I know tangent of 2 pi over 3, the exact value is negative radical 3.